Our website. One of our team members will hand it to you.
In we go. Middle I go. Okay, birthday button?
Birthday button.
Birthday button. Reveal. Reveal age. Old. Reveal age. Old. Ooh, inside. Look at all this. More Jurassic Park stuff, you guys. More. June 11th, 1993. I actually went to the movie theaters, you guys, and saw this. Ooh. Might splurge today a little. It's birthday.
It's birthday.
It's birthday. Oh man, this is all cool stuff. Ah, it's all cool. Ooh, a tank top. Nope. Might need this. Yes. Exciting. We need to,
Look at they're all...
I've been wanting to get this cup. I might get it. I have the same style Coca-Cola one, and it keeps the drinks cold for a long time. Bride of Frankenstein. Nice. It is grad bashes are starting to go down at Universal Studios Hollywood. They have lights set up everywhere. Mary loves sweep the floor. So, because Fast and the Furious 10 is out in theaters now, they have cars from the movie set up at the Universal Plaza. Yeah, Vin Diesel's car, Brian's car. We own it. I had a feeling this song would be playing around here. Brian O'Connor. Dominic Toretto. Let's go check out HHN build over here. Wow. Look at that. I haven't looked at speculation maps in a while, so I'm not sure what I'm looking at. And we haven't been here in a while. So yeah, we don't know what we're looking at. Mary's like, where's Five Nights at Freddy's?
Where's the NAF?
She loves Five Nights at Freddy. Let's go check out if there's anything going on at the future spot for family. Where's Mary? We want to keep looking at HHN build. HHN build. HHN build. Look at the big walls up there. They're painted already. Cool. HHN build. Cool. We're excited for all that good stuff. Ooh, the infamous float that's been new for 5 years. Advertising of the Mario movie. And look, they added more lights too. Those lights are new, aren't they? Look, there's Doc. Hello. Scott a wizard. Yes. But you guys, check this out. They got rid of the water feature that used to be up in here, and they've added some lights. This is more of a permanent re-theme seasonal zone now, which is cool. It's cool. Cheeseburgers. This place has got some good burgers. So we're over at the old animal actors area. They just have walls up now. It's been a while since we've been here. We're gonna make our way to Hogsmeade. I can't.
Okay, you can get the cup here.
Hey, look at there's. Oh yeah, the toothless popcorn bucket.
The regular cup.
Oh, good. The infamous toothless bucket, Mary. Look, they have extra tabling for the grad nights, probably. Wait, look, Production Central is still around. Is it open though? It is not open. How long are the waits? 5 minutes for the studio tour. Wow, that's nice. Everything else is...
Because everybody, you know why it's like this, you guys? It's because of Super Nintendo World. Everyone's down there.
Yeah, 90 minutes for Mario Kart. Wow.
Everyone's down there. Waiting in line for
Live show.
the live show.
Live show, okay.
Goodness gracious, you guys.
Guy, it's funny. Let's take a picture of this apparatus. I am guessing they're gonna move that digital marquee over there to right here. Because this whole area is gonna turn into LA, I'm assuming. LA themed, what do you think?
Yeah.
I mean, we don't know for sure, guys. This is just what rumors we hear on the net.
I hope it's not a Fast and Furious attraction. I hope.
We were hoping it was gonna be like a Jason Bourne stunt show, but
We need shows.
we'll see.
We need show. You guys get rid of my frog show.
Calm down, babe. You guys get rid of my frog show. I bet that's budget cuts. What do you think? Look at Mary. Doot, 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 doot. Home. Bavario. It's all nice and gloomy in here today.
It's perfect.
Yes.
When the weather matches Hogsmeade.
Right? The weather matches Hogsmeade. Man, I missed it.
I know I missed it too.
Anti-jinx in place. Oh my gosh, you guys, we could hear action back there. They're demoing. Demo. Getting ready for no crust. Tuna, no crust. You guys, I had a lot of epic shirts to wear this summer, but it hasn't been warm enough yet. Getting some water before we go into the Wizarding World. All roads lead to Hogsmeade. Look at all that Bavario. There is no line. We go right in. Today's specials, fish and chips. Fish and chips for the last 10 years. Ooh. All right, thank you. Go through the queue. God, this brings back memories when we first went here all the time. Like, you guys, we literally lived here like every month for like 2 years. We never visited the rest of the park that much. Food. It's nice and dark and gothic-y. Just how we like it. Ooh. Fish and chips.
I didn't know. I might want spare ribs. That sounds good. Herb roast chicken.
Alright, you guys. We've got our food.
I'm hungry.
Fish and chips, frozen butterbeer, and some water.
Woo, what a
You guys,
treat.
surprisingly enough, somebody asked us where we got this cup, and we're like, last year.
I'm like, guys, it says 2022.
And like, there's like speakers right there. Okay, we got the... We're gonna play a game of Wizard's Chess.
Wizard's Chess?
After we eat. It'll be funny. The trees have gotten big over the last 5 years. Wow.
The music is making me cry.
I know, it's that sad song.
Hogwarts.
There's Hogwarts. So guys, we brought our Wizard's Chest. We're gonna have a little game, a quick game. Nothing serious. And
The Wizard's Chess.
And then look at, we got Hogsmeade in the background. That's awesome. It's so cool.
Look it.
Suck. Suck.
Oh, shoot.
You just want to say suck. Stop. Where did you go? That's right, you were going to try to punk this guy, and I was like, yeah, you're going to let a pawn take you out? That's great.
Look it.
That's what makes it better. Like that. Oh, wait, that cut.
Oh. Look it.
Oh. Movie merchandise. Cool. We're checking out Night Fury merchandise. And then they got some Night Fury. Night Fury. Cool. Alright, you guys. We got finished playing our little game. Oh, that's kind of a cool hat. We got finished playing our little Wizards chess game. Now we're going to head to the studio tour. We want to check out some HHN build. No wait, you guys.
Guys, a little kid saw me dressed in my Hogwarts outfit. We were walking through Simpson Land, and he's like, "You're not supposed to do that." And in my head, I'm like,
wow, there's a longer line for Express.
yeah,
That's hilarious. I know, I would just literally go. But see, I get it. HHN for it. HHN. Oh yeah, goggles for King Kong and Fast and Furious. Fast and Furious. I'm gonna just stick them in the pocket. Hey, they stay in there. Right. Stick them in your big pocket on your robe. Do 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 do. Look at, we usually go that away for HHN stuff.
Yeah.
Well, during HHN, I mean. Jasmine. What's that? We.
Jasmine.
Oh, we never sit on this side.
No.
I'm like looking at the Simpsons building going, what?
Emergency. You're doing something about you on the side of the tram. We're having some video issues. Please
Whoa.
check out the red E corridor on the center of the seat of the tram. I'll be back to assist you as soon as it's safe to do so.
Ride or die.
Ride or die. Oh, it really says ride or die. I couldn't see it at first. Ride or die. Now I got a double fisted. I got a double fisted.
Double fist. Okay, here we go.
Oh God, it's okay. Great.
Okay, we got some HHN build happening right here. More
HHN.
black walls, you guys. We love it.
We love it. Black wall.
More and more and more.
Oh, there's facade, Mary.
Facade. Okay. Is this Five Nights at Freddy's?
It's just white. It's primed. It's just primered.
No, this side.
Okay. That was the first HHN sighting. Hey, wait. Don't we see a little bit to the right over here? No, that's too far away. We have to go on the down below. Big poop. And look. Well, they built. It's so crazy. There's studios right behind there now.
Yeah.
Shark's Eyes Chief.
I thought this Scotland wool was supposed to keep me warm.
Scotland wool, yeah. It's keeping me warm, but I'm wearing a vest. I'm wearing the vest.
I'm wearing the sweater.
Shark's Eyes is coming. Shark's Eyes Chief.
We'll come back. Never, we're never coming back. What are you doing, Arvin?
Oh,
I love
it looks cool doing HHN. All the creepy lights on it.
Scary world to another. We're entering the War of the Worlds set from the film War of the Worlds starring Tom Cruise.
Look at HHN. HHN.
HHN.
HHN.
HHN.
HHN.
HHN, guys.
HHN, guys.
Terror Tram is underway.
Terror Tram.
Terror Tram.
Whoa, that's some serious smoke. HHN.
HHN.
Killer snacks.
HHN build. Do I sense a Five Nights at Freddy's in there? Yes? Yes?
HHN.
HHN.
It's pretty.
Tents are up right there. And then some ups are up right there. More construction goodness. Good job.
And
Oh,
you
looks
can
like
see-
there's some blocks on that building and the facade.
They have like nets all around here, and it's in case the drones decide to fall. for the Wizarding World show. We haven't seen that yet. We're gonna have to come back and check that out. That's probably not going on tonight though. Grad night stuff's going on tonight. Some HHN construction action going on right now. You see
Look
that?
at that action.
Action.
HHN. Five Nights at Freddy's, is that you? Hopefully. Maybe.
Yeah, Mary's super hopeful for a Five Nights at Freddy maze. Look, they're still building for that one back there that we saw earlier on the tour. Alright. We are making our way down below again. It's fun to see the HHN build.
HHN. I'm excited for HHN.
Yes.
Hey guys, I feel like this year's HHN is going to be even hotter than than the last one.
Oh yeah, like
opening night.
what we mean by hotter, we mean by heat.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hot because it's normally warm right now, and it's a nice cool day. What, like low 70s, I think. But it's windy too. Like, there's the craziness of Super Nintendo Land. Fast and Furious advertisements. I wonder what this movie's gonna be about. I think it's the beginning to the end of the beginning, end. Look at, there's Rams 3. There's Rams 3.
Didn't she say she doesn't drive though?
Yeah, but she does now, probably.
Your participation in the Raptor program is vital for the safety and training of our animals. We are thrilled to bring you the planet's most exciting and up-close dinosaur encounters. Only here at Jurassic World.
Walls. All the walls. Look, there's wood right there, you guys. Wood. Wood. I wonder what that's for. Wood. How much of the old space do you think they're going to utilize?
I don't know.
If they're doing that kind of craziness right there. Interesting. Dude, you guys, I thought I was going nuts, but they're like totally playing like roller coaster roll by screams and stuff. Probably recorded from Velocicoaster. What do you think?
Yeah.
If rumors are correct, it's supposed to be like an Intamin launch coaster drift style. So think of like the vehicles for Gringotts that rotate a little bit, and then Velocicoaster for launching, LSM launch. Intamin, supposedly. Another Intamin in California. Alright, we are making our way out of here. It's going to take us a good almost 2 hours to get back to the Knott's Hotel. Holiday traffic is crazy today. Usually I don't do anything on my birthday because of this reason.
Yeah, one time we tried to go to Six Flags, and then we were standing in line just to get bags checked for like over an hour and a half.
Yeah, we didn't
even move.
And I like turned around, looked at Mary and said, hey, guess what? We're going home. Didn't even make it inside. It was crazy. And it got even busier here today. We never did do an opening, guys. We just kind of jumped straight into it. Today's my birthday. So we're just kind of jumped straight into it. We're just having fun today. Messing around, doing Reverio. Hogwarts Legacy. Shout out to all those people that play that too. But we are making our way back to the van and going back to Knott's because tonight is a media night. Alright everyone, that's going to do it with this trip
Yes.
to Universal Studios. Got some HHN updates, a little fun, birthday fun for me.
Mm-hmm.
We got to head back down to Knott's because tonight there is a media night.
Yes.
I want to give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters. Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, SoCal Fun Seeker, Cedar Far Side, Crow Slot, Starport 55, and Lewis.
Woo! Thank you so much, you guys.
We'll see you next video.
Bye-bye.